Hey guys, do you know your Android phone comes with powerful built-in toolkit called Google Accessibility, designed to help with vision, hearing, and daily communication. One of the most amazing feature of accessibility is live transcribe. Whenever someone speaks near you, then live transcribe instantly convert speech into real-time text on mobile screen. It also recognizes background sounds like door knocks, horn, and any other things. So in this video, I will show you how to turn on accessibility feature on Android device and how we can use it. Open settings app on your Android mobile. Now you can type accessibility in search bar or find accessibility option. I am tapping on accessibility option. Here you can see many different types of accessibility function. This time we are going to check live transcribe option. Tap on live transcribe option. So here you can read about live transcribe. Also here is the option of live transcribe shortcut. Turn on this toggle and click on got it. After turning on this option, it is showing a accessibility shortcut. Click on this icon to use live transcribe. Now I am going to speak some words. Hi dear. Hello, hello, hello. So we have seen a small demo of live transcribe. Now I am showing you another thing of live transcribe. For example, here is a person who cannot hear or speak, and we have to tell him something. So in this condition, we can use live transcribe. Now watch this demo. Click on shortcut. Welcome to the KeshavTechy. Now if the person wants to say something, he can click on keyboard icon and type whatever he wants to say. So this was an example of two-way communication through one screen using feature of live transcribe. How was the video? Tell us in comment box. And for such videos, follow our channel.